Hey lovebirds! Today I'm going to show you how to plan the honeymoon of your dreams with our honeymoon trip planner. Ready to design an unforgettable getaway? First things first, pick your perfect destination. Head to the Our Love Destination tab. Fill in the comparison table with the destinations you're considering. Include details like cost, travel time, romance score, weather, and pros and cons. Once you've made your decision, check the box under Final Choice. Your chosen destination will be highlighted and automatically copied into the trip overview sheet. No need to enter it twice. Your dream destination flows straight into your planner. Now go to the Trip Overview tab. Set your trip start and end dates. Choose your local currency and whether it appears before or after the number. Enter the number of travelers. Add destination details like the official currency and language. Use the built-in currency converter to adjust your budget based on selected countries or a custom amount. Now enter your total trip budget in the budget table. You can also add your own spending categories. Charts and calculations update automatically. This is your honeymoon planning headquarters. Now head over to the Travel Reservations tab. Manually enter your booking details for flights, accommodations, car rental, tours and tickets, restaurants, and travel insurance. When you've made your decision, check Final Choice. It will be highlighted in yellow. Once it's booked, check Booked. It will turn green and the price will be added to your trip total. If it's not marked as booked, it won't be included in the total cost summary. You can also add other expenses manually. Select the category from the drop-down. It's linked to your trip overview sheet. All totals and budget calculations sync automatically. Open the Travel Checklist and Packing List tabs. Use the built-in suggestions or customize them for your needs. Check the box when each item is completed. In the Travel Checklist tab, you'll see progress bars that show how ready you are for takeoff. Everything connects back to your trip overview for full planning clarity. Next, go to the Places to Visit tab. Manually list out the places you'd love to see. To make it more visual, insert an image right inside the cell using Insert, Image, Insert Image in Cell. In the Address column, type it followed by the place name or location, for example at Waikiki Beach. This creates a smart link to Google Maps. Click to start navigating instantly. Finally, head to the Daily Itinerary tab. Plan your trip day by day using 15-minute blocks, perfect for fine-tuning every detail of your honeymoon. Ideal for scheduling beach time, dinners, and once-in-a-lifetime adventures. And that's it. You're all set to plan a stress-free, memory-filled honeymoon. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to share our planner with other couples. Happy travels and long live love!